Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you the sign in problem of YouTube. When you try to open the YouTube application, you might have seen this sort of problem. So there are three solutions to this problem. So the first solution is to go to Play Store and just search for YouTube application and just update your application. You can see here my YouTube application is updated. So if your application is not updated, just update it and the problem will be solved. But if still problem exists, then the second solution is to go to your settings, your phone settings, and from here you just need to search for app. So here you can see app and open the app. So from here you can see the all install app on your phone. So you just need to find out the YouTube application. If you cannot find out, you just need to search it YouTube. So here you can see YouTube, and from here you can go to the storage. From storage you need to clear the cache memory. So when you clear the cache memory, this problem will be resolved. If still problem exists, then the third solution to this problem is, the reason could be you might using the older version of phone, and the Gmail application that you have signed in with this application. So the reason could be you might have changed the password from other device, and from here you have not updated the password, and this problem could be exist. So you need to change the Gmail application, or you just need to remove that application. And for example, if you sign in, if you open the YouTube application again, you might see this sort of problem. So what you have to do, you have to remove the Gmail application, or you have to switch the Gmail application. So how can we remove the Gmail application? We can go to the accounts. So from here you can see manage accounts. So search for manage account, and here click the first button. So from here you can see all the Gmail application. So the Gmail application that you have signed in, for example this one, I have signed in. So you can remove this from here. When you remove this from here, and you just need to close the window of your YouTube, and then just open it, and it will be fresh, and then you can sign in with the other Gmail account. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel.